Are you looking for a side hustle that's low risk, creative, and scalable? Low content book publishing might be the perfect fit, but only if you avoid some common pitfalls. Let me share why it's been such a game changer for me and how you can get started too. Hello home bosses, my name is Nuria Corby from thehomeboss.com. Welcome to my channel, which is all about helping you to make an income online from self-publishing. So back in November 2018, I was exploring ways to earn income online, and that's when I stumbled across the world of low-content publishing. I spent hours learning from YouTube channels like Kelly Publish, Keith Wheeler, Dale Roberts, and of course Rachel Harrison Sand. Their advice helped me take those first steps, and though it took a few months, I'll never forget the excitement of hitting my first $1,000 month. That milestone was proof that this business model works and can be a fantastic opportunity for anyone willing to give it a try. Today, I want to share 5 reasons why I believe low-content books are the best side hustle for 2025. And because I've learned a few things along the way, I'll also highlight some common mistakes to avoid so you can start off strong. Reason number 1, it's low risk. You don't need to invest in inventory and there's no shipping or storage to worry about. Amazon handles all of that through their Kindle Direct publishing platform, so you can focus on creating. This was a big change to when I had my jewelry business, where I had to buy the jewelry, I had to store it in my house, I had to then ship it to the customers every time someone ordered something, and I had to deal with the customer service with returns and when people were unhappy. So all of that can be avoided with Kindle Direct Publishing because Amazon do all that for you. Reason number 2, it's easy to create. You don't have to be a writer or designer to make these books. Simple tools like Canva are all you need to create beautiful interiors and covers. Reason number 3, the market is booming. There's a huge demand for journals, planners, coloring books, and other low-content products. People love practical and creative designs, and this demand isn't slowing down anytime soon. Reason number 4, it's passive income. Once your book is published, it can generate royalties for years without any additional effort from you. Although I would add that if you really want to make a good income from this, you do need to do a bit of marketing. That's something that I've learned, and marketing can really help in selling your books. Reason number 5, it's a creative outlet. You can design books around niches or topics you're passionate about, whether it's fitness, gardening, or mindfulness. The possibilities are endless. Now that you know why I think low-content book publishing is such a great opportunity, let's talk about the mistakes that can hold you back and how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, skipping niche research. It's tempting to jump straight into designing, but understanding your audience is critical for creating books that sell. Mistake number 2, overcomplicating your designs. Sometimes less is more. Clean, functional designs often perform better than ones that are overly detailed. Mistake number 3, ignoring keywords. Keywords help your book get discovered on Amazon, so optimizing them is a must. Mistake number 4, rushing to publish. And I know I've done it as well. I know it's exciting to get your book out there, but always prove your work to ensure it's polished and professional. Mistake number 5, not learning from experts. When I started, I leaned heavily on advice from seasoned publishers like Rachel Harrison Sand. Learning from people who've been there saves you so much time and effort. And I'm excited to announce that there's a free masterclass by Rachel Harrison Sand. So if you're ready to start or improve your low-content book publishing journey, Rachel Harrison Sand's free masterclass is an incredible resource. I really like her calm, step-by-step guidance, and it's perfect for beginners or anyone looking to refresh their strategy. In this masterclass, you will learn how Rachel built a multi-six-figure business, the top mistakes to avoid, and her proven 5-step framework for creating profitable books like planners, journals, and workbooks. I will leave a link below the video where you can click to register. It's completely free and you can watch it at your convenience. So low-content book publishing isn't just a side hustle, it's a way to earn passive income while doing something creative and fun. Don't let common mistakes hold you back. Take that first step today, and who knows, this could be the start of something amazing. And I'm so happy that I started back in 2018 because I have published so many books now, and you never know where it can lead to. I've now written children's books and even non-fiction books, and I'm really enjoying this publishing journey. So creating low-content books has really opened a whole new door for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.